It's December 7th, 2017. JDM Street Films here. This blue front end right here you see is a wagon 04, and this is a 05 sedan Wrx. And just got that one from the auction. It was tuned by Boost Creep. That's all I know about it. It just has a whole bunch of paren things on it. So I'm going to take this front end, slap it on this sedan, and I'm going to sell the wagon as a stock vehicle. So here we go, JDM Street Films. Oh yeah, the wagon has a lot of good goodies. The JDM front end with the OEM blinker cutout on the fenders, STI interior, right hand drive, blue STI carpet, as well with the blue STI floor mats. And yeah, you even have the light bars. I think I'm gonna take them off, put them on here. Fuck it. This was my second. Now this will be my third. Cool. Here we go. All right. So I just wanted to point out a couple things. I wanted to take this intercooler pipe with me because it's limited edition Apex. I think this is number 78. They only made 100 back in '93, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong. And I think this one just has some eBay stuff. But I just know what the difference is, that this intercooler breathes a lot better than these kind of thick ones from eBay. So I've tried all kinds of intercooler and I love this intercooler. It's Apex, even has Apex stamped on it. I think it's somewhere on the bottom. But all these piping have Apex stamped on it. Alright, it's April 9th, 2018. This is a 2005 WRX. Here in a couple hours I'm about to trade this, and you'll see. But I just want to do a full walk around before she's gone. 17-inch STR wheels, slotted rotors. I have the JDM fender with the side marker, carbon fiber hood, CF scoop. STI wing, NVIDIA exhaust, diffuser, Raceland coilovers. You can see them, doubt that. Alright, cars here. It says 14.5, 95. There's a Subaru. There we go. Guess I am gonna do a trade. Got my 240.